Good morning, guys. Hey, it's Glen and this product just launched, and I think you should really take a look at it. This is called the Mass Mailer Methods, and this is going to be a brief overview of the product and what exactly it will do for you. And I'll show you my bonus page, and I'll show you the sales page, and just basically talk about it. I'm not going to do the walkthrough because my access did not work, so I'm just going to go through the sales page for you just so you can be upfront. And besides, guys, this is a $7 info product, and right away, I highly recommend it. It's amazing training. So you don't want. This is Darren Brown's new project. So this is Mass Mailer Methods. Okay, so let's take a look at this sales page here. Let me jump over here. Okay, so what do we got going on? This is basically it's 22 methods that he uses to make money online, and they're all tested. They all work, and basically it's $7 for this training, guys. So you can't really go wrong. It's worth it. Go through it. This is kind of a no-brainer. Find out how you can achieve 50% more sales quicker than possible. And again, 22 methods, guys. So after running for just 14 days, he's made $558. This is a great little testimonial there. This is through GrooveFunnels. So there you go. Making commissions from GrooveFunnels is a good thing. Turn Mass Mailer Method into a revenue generating powerhouse with just 22 methods. So pretty cool thing. Basically, guys, it's going to be a training that you're going to be able to use as an affiliate. I find these products so helpful because, like I said in a video or two ago, you may have learned how to do something, but you're just missing that one little trigger that gives you that aha, and you go, oh, that's how it works. And you might have been just missing this one crucial little step that stopped you from making any money and starts making you money on something that you can scale. So that's why I love these little $7, $10 training programs. Now, he does have some OTOs, and I will go through those. What is the full, hold on a second, let me just find the page for you. Okay, it's gonna be kind of small on the screen, guys, but I'll go through them for you. And of course, when you grab the front end, you will be able to go through them as well. So the first one is, the front end is, like I said, $7. The second one is the Elite Access Elite List Club, and he does the complete setup for you. It's $27. Gold access to the Elite Club, you get 300,000 credits, which is, I'm thinking it's for doing mass mailings, which I use mass mailers all the time, guys, safe lists and stuff like that. They do work. It's not like buying a solo ad. You don't get nearly the same return on your money, but for having a gold level to Elite Club with all those credits is a great thing. Mass Mailer Methods resell rights, so you get 100% commissions. That's a $37 OTO. There's the Product Factory with license right to, so he gives you, basically you can create 6 to 9 products built in this, and plus universal to work on any platform. So that's a $47 value. Limited yearly access. So there's two. There's a $97 one where you get access to everything for a year, or there's the $197 where you get limited access for a lifetime and all his products that are going to come out. When I do see these sort of evergreen product OTOs, I tend to grab them because you never know when someone's going to release a blockbuster product and you get it, because you're sort of in the club. So that's what the whole product is. That is the basically the funnel. He's got some bonuses there. You're going to get so you get Mass Mailer Methods, you get 60 days of Limitless, you get Elite Limitless Gold credit, you get 300 credits, you get Commission Gorilla bonuses, which I use Commission Gorilla. You're going to get the bonuses delivered to you on Commission Gorilla. If you like it, there's always a link on my bonus page. Go grab Commission Gorilla if you want to start giving away bonuses and doing reviews. And it works in any niche. It's pretty cool, guys. I definitely recommend checking it out for $7. You really can't go wrong. And now I'm just doing the finishing touches on my bonus page, but you guys will have a ton of bonuses there. And sorry guys, I just got up and I saw that this launched and my video was late. I've got some other videos for launches coming out today as well. So again, this has been Mass Mailer Review. I definitely recommend it. Darren Brown is definitely a great marketer. He's been in the game for a long time. So he's got a lot of cool stuff that you can learn how to do. So click the link below. You'll be taken to my bonus page, just some bonuses, and then you'll be taken to the actual offer page that you can pick it up for a measly $7. You know what? That's not even a sandwich and a coffee at Starbucks these days. So well worth it. All right, guys. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and a thumbs up. And that's it, guys. Cheers. See you on the next one. Bye.